everybody, back again with another video. Hey, what's up, what's good? If you're new to my channel, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and follow my social medias down below. So yesterday I filmed a what I got for Christmas video, and I realized I didn't show you guys everything because most of it I use and end up putting it in my makeup bag. So we're just gonna start off with one thing at a time. I also got this Anastasia dip brow yesterday. I don't know if I put that in there, that's why I just said I don't really remember. But anyways, this is like me trying to learn how to do my brows because I did them yesterday. They look good, but we're gonna see if I can try to make them match because this one was more professional. Please get down, and this one is just looking like and this is dark brown. This is not gonna focus, stupid camera. 1 or 2 daps, and I watched the video, and like the first time I did it, it's just like a block on my eye, and the second time I did it, I lined them to how I want my brows to be, and they were fine. So, and I also just watched another video yesterday, and like the way the concealer should be, it's perfect. So we're just gonna try and do this again with a lighter hand, of course. Nothing dramatic. Really horrible. But I don't shade it in too dark because I don't have dark brows. So today I'm doing it totally different from what I did yesterday. And you guys probably can't really hear me, but I'm doing it really different because this isn't I have a habit of not finishing my sentences. This is my eyebrow tutorial. Like I said, I'm not professional. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure you guys follow me on my social medias down below. And like, let's keep the family growing. We're almost at 50 subscribers. So thank you guys so much. Christmas miracle, even though Christmas is over. But like, I didn't really say it in my video yesterday. So I'm starting to film every day only because I'm on break.